And then we'll see if this actually, this homemade yeast will actually change the taste. Hopefully it won't. So that's it. I'll put these other two in and then stir it up, put a towel over it, and then tomorrow I'll put in the homemade yeast. Okay, I'm gonna open this up so you can see the carbonation that boils out of that. It's just like opening a soda. You can see it fizzing up. So I'm gonna drop all of this in that nylon bag. So I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna pour this through this nylon sock. There we go. Ooh, got fizzy right away. Tie that off so that none of it comes out into the juice. That should be good. Stir it up a little bit and hopefully in about 3 to 5 days it'll get through primary fermentation, then we can put it in secondary fermentation for about 3 weeks. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I used the natural yeast and it looks like it's working a lot better than the store-bought yeast, because this is the first time I've ever seen the wine bubble this much after I racked it and put it into secondary fermentation. I mean, it's bubbling so much that I've got air bubbles popping out of the vent up here, and I've never noticed that before with the other wines. So this yeast looks like it's still active. Same amount of time that I used with the store-bought yeast, but much, much more active. Let me see if I can get up there close enough to where you can see the bubbles.